What is action speaks louder than words in the relationship? So, absolutely, the phrase action speaks louder than words in the relationships, particularly relevant in the relationship. So, it emphasizes the importance of demonstrating love, care, and commitment. Commitment through actions rather than just verbal expressions. So here's why actions are crucial in the relationship. So number one, building trust. Consistent actions that aligns with the words help build trust. So when someone follows through on their promises, it reassures their partner of or reliability and sincerity. Number two, showing genuine care. Small, thoughtful gestures, like remembering important dates, offering supports during tough times, or simply being there, is showing a genuine care and affection more effectively than words alone. Or resolving conflicts. So during disagreements, actions like listening actively, compromising, and making efforts to understand the other person's perspective can resolve conflicts more than effective than just saying I'm sorry. Number four, strengthening emotional connection. So act of kindness, physical touch, and spending quality time deepen emotional bonds and create a sense of security in the relationship. Number five, commitment or proving commitment. Long-term relationship um, thrives when both partner consistent show up for each other. So whether it's through sharing responsibility, mutual respect, or standing by each other during challenges. While words is very important for communication, actions are the foundation of a healthy and lasting relationship. They validate the feelings expressed and create a tangible sense of love and partnership.